Hello and welcome to Spoon Barbecue time. Okay, so today I'm using my gas grill with a little griddle on top of the grates, melting some butter, some sliced up mushrooms and onions, just putting them on there and letting them start cooking under the lid. After a few minutes, time to put burgers on. I got plenty, it's for lunches and whatever, so I think 17 in total or something like that, or 15, I don't know, many. Seasoning with Montreal steak seasoning. I think that goes really well on burgers. And then I've got some keto bread, and then I've got a no-no bread for my stepson. Anyway, I suddenly decided I wanted to smash a few of them because it gets a better crust that way. So just taking a couple and putting them on the griddle. This little griddle is a no-name cast iron enamel griddle, and it really works well. You can use it on a stove or whatever. Okay, starting to season up a little bit or get a crust, so time to put them on there. A little bit more seasoning, and then as you can see I made a couple more. Some sliced up cheddar cheese on top of there, and then I'm moving those over the grate and we'll let the cheese melt. Oh yeah, it's that flame grill or what? Okay, moving the mushrooms and onions that are now translucent around a little bit, and then the bread has thawed out, cutting them in half and just giving them a little bit of crust or toasting them a little bit on the griddle. Okay, time to build it. So we got the bread, we got some lettuce, and then on top of that we put a burger and a burger, of course. Then some mushrooms and onions. I don't mind it spilling out because I like picking them up while I'm eating. Then on top of this, a dollop of sauce bearnaise, which is really good on the burger. Makes for a good burger all over. Lid on, time for picture, time for taste. There we go, a double cheeseburger with mushrooms, onions and some bearnaise sauce. Let's try it. That sure hit the craving spot. Thanks to everyone who made burgers the last few days, because I really want one now. Thank you for watching. Bye.